Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to build credit history with Fundbox. The first is to use your credit line regularly. Don't just let it sit there. You want to borrow modest amounts frequently, even if you don't urgently need them, and of course pay them back on time. Why? Because consistent responsible borrowing, this builds trust. Next, make early or on-time repayments. Fundbox reports your behavior, your repayment behavior internally, so paying regularly and paying early shows financial strength. Never miss a due date because this can hurt your internal score. Remember, early payment may also unlock better terms, so if you want that, you got to make sure to pay attention to this. Next, increase your limit gradually. Now, if you can qualify for a credit limit increase by using your full available credit, also by maintaining excellent repayment habits, likewise keeping connected to your bank and accounting softwares. Higher limits equals stronger credit profile. The fourth is to stay active even during slow periods. Even when your business is slow, you want to borrow and repay small amounts. This keeps your activities fresh in Fundbox's system. Inactive accounts, these don't build history. The fifth is to monitor your business credit reports. Use services like Dun and Bradstreet or nav.com to track if Fundbox activity reflects in your file. If it doesn't, use your clean Fundbox history as proof when applying elsewhere. Treat Fundbox like a training wheel for your business credits. Show that you're responsible and you'll open doors to larger, better financing in the future. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.